Hello YouTube. Let's hit the American highway and go to Florida. Of course, the trip started with rain most of the way. This is our first stop, Frog City RV Park in Duval, Louisiana. This is our second overnight stop. This is the Stop and Stay near Marianna, Florida. This is one of the travel plazas on the Florida Turnpike. We make note to stop at this one because they have an Earl sandwich, which we love. This is where we stayed while in Key West. This is Trumbull Point. It's a fan camp on the Navy Air Station in Key West. This is a boondocking campground. There's no water, sewer, or electric, but they do have a blockhouse with bathrooms and showers and a laundry facility. We are now in Mallory Square getting ready for the world famous sunset. This is one of many cruise ships that have a port call at Key West. They dock just outside of Mallory Square. This is where me and Deb jump on our electric bikes and take a cruise around the island of Key West. This is leaving the gate of Trumbull Point. You make a right turn and a left bend. Go straight for about a mile and you are on Duval Street. We are now going into the Truman Annex. We had to dismount from our bikes. This is where the little White House is. We ran into a little market on the waterfront, which was very nice. We got off our bikes and walked around for a little bit. This area was new to us, and supposedly this area is just freshly redone. This is the entrance of Fort Zachary and a state beach. Okay, we're back on the streets and we're heading to what most people are familiar with when going to Key West. It's the southernmost point in the lower 48. You can go. We're gonna make this right turn and head towards Sigsbee, which is where the main facility for the Naval Air Station is. They have a BX commissary, and there's a couple of campgrounds in this area as well. This area of Sigsbee is where the full hookup campground is, and it has a nice waterfront view. About a half mile from the full hookup area is another boondocking area on Sigsbee. We're leaving the boondocking area now, and to the left is the car wash, and a little bit further down is the BX and commissary area. Okay, we're in the home stretch now. We're gonna make this right, and we'll be heading over a bridge. On the right hand side, you'll be able to see the old Navy Lodge. They're building a new one next door. And by the way, we've been here about 4 or 5 times, and we just discovered they had a mini BX right by the old lodge. So it just goes to show you, you'll find something new on every trip, even if you go to the same place. That was a nice little bicycle ride, and here's some of the stats and the map of our route. It's that time again. Let's break out the drone and go for a little flight. I don't think the camera on the drone does justice just how aqua blue this water is, and the clarity is just a beautiful scene. That's us on the bottom center of the picture doing a flyover. This is our final night in Key West, and what better way to sort of like celebrate our trip than to go to Duval Street and spend some time at Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Please stay tuned for part 2 where we visit Cocoa Beach, Patrick Space Force Base in Orlando, Florida. See you on the next video.